Hey guys, today we're going to calculate net pay for our section today. There's not a lot of new stuff in here. It's just kind of putting everything together to verify our paycheck. So you can see our objective here. Reminder, another name for net pay is take-home pay, right? Your gross pay is everything you get paid before any taxes. Then you try to catch everything in the net, and everything you get caught in the net you get to take home with you. So that's how I remember net pay is the same as your take-home pay. So here's the definition on your paycheck for take-home pay. That's after all of your deductions have been taken out. And if we want to find our take-home pay, a couple steps here. First, we want to add up all of our personal deductions. Then we want to add our taxes that get withheld. Whatever that amount comes out to be is called our total deductions. And then we'll take our gross pay minus that number, the total deductions, and that gets our take-home pay or our net pay. So if we look at example 1 here, Joe earned $395.14 for one pay period. It says $82.56 was withheld for taxes and $75.98 was withheld for personal deductions. So that word withheld, that means that it was taken away from you, right? That's subtracted. So we add those two numbers up to figure out the total deductions. We get $158.54. And then we want to take our gross pay minus those deductions, and that should get us our take-home pay. So we get $236.60, $236.60. So if we look at example 2, let's try one more. Sally earned $452.63. She had $92.46 withheld for taxes and $68.72 withheld for personal deductions. Why don't you guys go ahead and try this one? You can pause it and try it. It's essentially the same problem. And I'll let you guys fill those numbers in, but there's the work for it. First total deductions, and then we find our net pay, or our take-home pay. So that's if we have a word problem, but you're also going to see this as a earning statement, right? So we can pull info from this earning statement. So the top part, earnings, shows our pay and deductions. The middle section is taxes withheld, so we see federal, state, local, and FICA. And then at the bottom's our personal deductions, so union dues, insurance, savings, that sort of thing. So first, what was the gross pay? Gross pay is blank on here. Well, we're going to get paid our overtime pay and our regular pay. And I got $465.18. So I'm going to enter that onto the earnings statement. I'll also put it down here for number 1, $465.18. The rest of the questions, I think there's 3 more that go with this problem, are on the next page. So what was the net pay? So net pay is going to be $465.18 minus the $177.76. I get $287. Looks like that section's missing on this pay stub, but it should be right here. That's net pay. $287.42. What were the total taxes withheld? Let's go to the tax section. You can add those together. So that gives me $142.42 for the taxes. And then lastly, the total personal deductions. So that says personal deduction. We'll assume that means personal, not total. So we're just going to add all these numbers up down here. So plus, 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 plus. And I get $35.34. So that's it. Just looking at the pay stub, finding those calculations, and then verifying what your gross pay should be. So Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.